Hi everyone. I just wanted to share some information I recently found out about Blogger. So Blogger is a Google platform that hosts blogs. So it's a really simple, easy to use site, and it's actually really great for schools or classrooms that are already partnered with Google. If your class has Chromebooks or Gmail accounts for all the students, which a lot are using right now, um, that's very easy for students to make their own accounts because it's already set up. They don't need to make a new profile. They don't need to use a parent email address. It's already part of the deal. Now, making them is very simple. Students can come up with their own names. They can play with the theme. They can play with code if they really want to. If your students are interested in coding, this is a great opportunity and chance for them to do so. If they don't understand code, like some of us don't know what we're doing when it comes to coding very much, there is an easy interface as well, so that students don't need to all be on the same page when they're using this. I would use Blogger in the classroom, have students create their own blogs so that we can share online digital projects. So if I had my students using this, I would want them to be able to post their projects. So here I posted an example of a creative historical writing piece. So I'm just going to open it up more. So if students are working on projects, maybe they're written, maybe they're making videos or podcasts, they can easily be shared as posts on their blog. They can use their own tagging. They can then post them so that other students, other teachers, yourself as their teacher, their family members can then leave comments and give them feedback on what they've posted, give them props, things like that. It is a very fun tool, and there are some good safety measures to make sure that students aren't in danger or they're not posting things and things aren't going to get out that aren't appropriate. Now, obviously, there's always some loopholes, but settings for comments can be made so that nothing is posted live on the internet until it is approved by the author of the site, which, yes, that does still mean that if someone's posting something inappropriate or mean, there's an instance of bullying, it's still there, but it's recorded, and we can make sure that it doesn't spread. We also have under our settings, which I really appreciate them having, is privacy settings for when the blog is listed online. So this, I strongly suggest you make sure you're looking into this if you're having your students use blogs, no matter the platform, making sure that it's not listed out there for everybody to see. You kind of want to keep this a little more private. Yes, you're still telling students that you don't post pictures of yourself, you don't share personal information, but it is nice to know that you can make sure that if someone is searching your student's name or your student's email address, this blog is not showing up on Google's search or hopefully possibly Bing or other searches like this. All right. These are very fun and simple to use. There are a lot of options out there for it, and I think these blogs can be educational while still giving students a chance to be self-expressive